Hey everyone! Today we will talk about the if functions. It's a powerful function to perform logical operations to check whether a condition is true or false and then return different results. So here we have a table of student scores. We have student names, scores of subject A and B, and overall scores. The overall scores are basically A plus B. So let's talk about the basic if formula. And firstly, the if formula can check number values. Let's say we want to give a comment good if the overall scores is above 8. So we type equal if, then we give a condition to check whether the overall score is greater than 8. And if it's true, we comment the word good, and if less than or equal to 8, it shows nothing. Now copy and paste the formula. So two scores are comment good here. And next, the if formula can check text strings. So in here, if the previous comment is good, then we'll put a new comment, well done. And if not, it will show nothing. So too good, too well done. The if formula can also check if a cell is empty. We can use the not equal operator to check if the cell is empty. In this case, if not empty, we will comment the word great, otherwise leave it nothing. And now let's change the comment for any score greater or equal to 8. Then it comments good. And if the score is smaller than 8, it will comment OK, and just like this. Next, we'll use more than one if logic in a formula. And this time, if subject A and subject B each have a score at 4 or above, we will give a comment excellent. So let's write it down. For the formula, we'll type out the first condition. If subject A greater or equal to 4, then we put a comma. Now we type another if condition to check if subject B is also greater or equal to 4. And if both conditions matched, we will give an excellent. Otherwise, we will leave it empty. We also need to tell the formula what to do if only the first criteria matched. And it will also be empty. We can actually simplify this formula by using AND. So let's type equal if, and then we'll put AND. Now we put the first condition to check. It is subject A greater or equal to 4, and the second condition, and subject B greater or equal to 4. And then we close the AND formula. Now we put the result if they are true. And we leave it empty if they are false. And just like this, it works the same as the previous formula. The if formula can also use to test Boolean values, which is true or false. And in here we have a simple to-do list. If the tick box is checked, the value will become true, otherwise it remains false. We will use if formula to give comments based on the check boxes. So let's type equal if the cell is true. Then we give a comment done, otherwise it remains empty. And just like this, we can also try the reverse using equal to false for the check boxes. And let's put to do if it's not checked. So these are the basic if functions in Google Sheets.